Come on and take a look at this. When you click on this button right here, and bam! You make 20 US dollars. Here we go. Let's try it again. When you click on this button right now, and boom, another $35. Well, that's absolutely amazing. Okay, so let's do it again. When you click on this button, and bam, another $50. This is absolutely mind-blowing. And how is that even possible? Now I want you to check this out. The recent payment ratio, $51, $12, $106. So many people from different countries in the world are able to cash out their money in different payment options. This is an absolutely free method, which means you don't have to invest any money at all to get started. This is available worldwide. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do this, how you can actually click on buttons using a phone and able to make a lot of money. And I'll show you some exclusive tips at the end of this video that allows you to double your money compared to other people. So make sure you stick around and watch this video all the way until the end. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, the website that we are going to be using to click buttons and make money, which is hatchful.shopify.com. Basically, on this website, you're able to create stunning logos using all their done-for-you templates. Now check this out. These are all the designs and all the templates. They are very beautiful and professional, and we are able to use all these logos to make a lot of money online. One logo, you can actually earn $20 up to $25. When you do 10 logos, you can earn about $250. When you do 30 logos, you can earn $750. This is absolutely mind-blowing. And make sure you keep watching because in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how you can make all of this money right here, all this free passive income. Once you make your earnings, you cash out using Paytm, using PayPal, Payoneer, and there are just so many different payment options. And I want you to comment down below and let me know what your preferred payment options are in your country. Now I'll show you exactly how you can create the entire professional logo in literally just 2 clicks of a button. And you don't need any tech skill. You don't have to be good in design. All you need is just a mobile phone or computer to do this. Look at this, create professional logos in just a few clicks and no design experience necessary. So by using this free software, you're able to save a lot of time, save a lot of money, because this is 100% free to use and no experience required. The reason why I love this website is because there are just so many templates, hundreds and hundreds of different templates applicable in many different industries. Now, the more industries you can help create a logo, the more opportunities you can make money from those logos right on their website. You can see a bunch of different testimonials and positive feedbacks and reviews from different people. They actually do love these websites and also do the logos. Now, all you gotta do when you come over to this page is you can just click on this button right where it says Get Started. From there, that's gonna bring you to this page. Very important to make sure you keep watching because with all of these logos, you can actually make a lot of money. And I'll show you how to do it at the end of this video. Make sure you don't miss out on any of these important steps. First of all, you have to choose on a category of an industry. Say for example, fashion, health and beauty, home and garden, and so on. In this video, I'll show you an example using the tech industry. When you choose on this industry, you click on the next button. And from there, you're able to choose on different visual styles. Say for example, bold, calm, reliable, classic, and so on. Now right here, you don't actually have to choose on just one. You can just choose on multiple designs and multiple styles. Let's say I want to create a logo of the calm style and also classic, and right here, futuristic. Now the maximum options that you can choose on this step is actually 3. You can choose on 3 styles right here. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3. And you can click on the next button. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So from there on the next step, you have to add your business name and also a slogan. Say for example, for the business name, I just put in my name, Finance Girl, and the slogan I put in subscribe to make money online. You can actually customize and edit everything on this website. Make it so simple that anyone, literally anyone without any technical skill can create stunning logos and convert them into actual money. Remember, for every single logo that we create, we are able to turn them into actual money. so make sure you watch until the end to learn how to do it. From there, once I put in my business name and slogan, I just click on the next button. So right here, you can see tell us where the logo will be used. We have to choose from among these categories. For example, online store, website, social media, print and swag, and so on. You can choose from multiple categories. Let's say if I want to use this logo for social media purposes, for an online store or website, or maybe just my physical store, I will just click on the next button. Look at this. In just 3 simple steps, just a few clicks of a button, they're able to create a lot of stunning designs for you, based on all the options that you've selected just now. Look at this. These are all the logos that they helped us create. And from there, I can just browse around and look for different logos that I like. And every single one of these logos, I can actually turn them into actual money. And there's just so many different options that I can choose from. If you don't like any of these designs, you can just go back and change the styles, change the settings, and they're gonna start to populate and show you some new kinds of designs. And you can just rinse and repeat the entire process. So let's just say if I want to edit on this logo, I just click on this logo right here. That's gonna take me to this page where I can even further edit and customize anything I want. For example, I can still change the business name right here. As you can see, Finance Girl is my business name, and that's gonna show up on the logo. Let's just say if I change the name, for example, to I Love You, that's gonna populate right here. And I do actually love all of you guys who are still watching right now, my subscribers. And when we click on the fonts right here, that's where you can actually change the fonts of the logo. Take a look at this. All these different font types. Say for example, if I want to choose on, let's say this one, and that's going to change upon the canvas design. As you can see here, you don't need any design skill. You just click on different options, click on different pictures, click on different fonts, click on different colors, as you can see here, purple color, and right here, maybe this one, blue color, green color, and all these colors that I can choose from right here by just clicking on that. That's pretty amazing. It's so simple that I believe anyone can do this without any technical skills. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'll just click on the next button. So I'll look at this. Congratulations on your new logo. You can download the logo for absolutely free. And in just a moment, I'll show you how you can turn all of these logo designs into actual money every single day by just clicking on buttons on your phone. So right here, they just even show us a preview about this logo and what it looks like. So let's say if you're gonna download this logo, you can just click on this button right here. From there, you actually have to create and sign up for a free account, and then you can download it for free. All you gotta do is put in your email address and your password and click on the sign up button, and that's basically the entire process to create and design logos on hatchful.shopify.com in literally just seconds by clicking a few buttons. Moving on to the next step. How can we actually turn the logo into actual money? So right now, I want you to go on to twitter.com. If you don't have a Twitter account, you can sign up for free. Now you can just click on this button where it says sign up. Just put in your first name and your phone numbers and your email address and your date of birth, and you can sign up for a free account on Twitter. Once you're logged into your Twitter account, that's what you're going to see. Comment down below and let me know if you have a Twitter account. Basically, Twitter is just a social media platform where people can engage and ask different questions and post something up on this platform. So right on Twitter, I want you to search on this platform under this search bar right here. I want you to type in a keyword, which is I need a logo, and press on search. From there, look at this. You can find all these people they're looking for a logo. They're looking for a designer. Say for example, this one is looking for a designer. They need a logo, and they need a good logo designer, and they are willing to pay. This is crazy. They need a logo designer. So many people, so many demands, so many buyers. They're looking for a logo. And guess what? You, yes you, can be the one to provide and sell them the logo that you designed just now on hatchful.shopify.com. Look at how easy these business models are nowadays as a side hustle. It's something that you can work from home to make some money, make some income. So this is actually a good way to get started by simply creating logos on this website for free in less than a few seconds. Come over to Twitter to create a free account, and you can just reply to their posts, reply to their tweets, and tell them that I do have a logo that I can share with you. Or let's say, hey, I can help you to create a logo for your website, for social media, for a business. So I'm charging $20, $25, and people actually want it. There are just so many people. They're even willing to pay up to hundreds of dollars from just one single logo. And the second option that I do want to share with you is to go on to peopleperhour.com. Now basically, this is a website where you can become a freelancer to start selling those logos on website. So when you search on different projects on peopleperhour.com, let's say for example, logo design, you can see here over thousands of different projects, logo designs, labels, and more logo designs. There are just so many different demands. So many people, they want a logo. So from there, you can just click on the sign up button on top. And when you come over to this page, as you can see here, start living your work dream. You want to choose on this, I want to work as a freelancer. You can either sign up on your Facebook or using your email address. Just put in all of the details and click on the sign up button. And that's exactly how you can turn all those logos into actual money. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.